Welcome to Technical Boy Delhi YouTube channel. My name is Sabneet. Today topic is Google Chrome Task Manage, not responding check and solution. Now going on Google Chrome and open Google Chrome page. And then click right site 3D. Now open a box, then click more tools. Now again, click Task Manager. Now showing a box on your laptop and desktop screen. Task Manage Google Chrome page. Now showing on your laptop Task Manager and Memory Footprint, CUP Process, and Network Process ID. Now check date using and memory. Also check issue is Google Chrome Task Manager not responding on Network Process on your laptop and desktop Google Chrome. Now select any and now end process. Now resolved not responding issue. Now close this page and now open new Windows on Google Chrome. Going on Google Chrome History. Then click Browsing Date. Now showing on Google Chrome. Now clear browsing date. Now two options showing. Now Google Browsing Date 1 is Basic and Advanced. Now select All Time Date Range _ you can decade. Now click All Time. Next, click Clear Date. Now close this window and now click Privacy Guide. Now showing of your privacy choices. Now back and now click Cookies and Other Site Date General Settings. Now allow all cookies. Block third-party cookies in incognito. Now all showing all cookies setting. Then going next click Appearance. Now showing now Windows. Now showing new Windows appearance theme. Open Chrome Web Store now. Now showing Native American Artists Collection. Now explore Chrome Backgrounds by Native American Artists. Google Chrome Themes for car lovers. Google Chrome Background apply. I am loves these cool rides. Lamborghini Drift Fan made theme with carbon fiber toolbar red color coded tab. Next, click Lamborghini Open. And then click Add Google Chrome and now download this theme and then apply. This is useful when working in groups and hopefully it work for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.